Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Shelby. Today, I have a really easy garlic chicken Italian recipe for you guys. It's only 5 ingredients, and I've been super excited to make it for you guys all week. Without further ado, let's get cooking. First, we have our fresh green beans here, so I'm going to go ahead and get those oiled and seasoned up so we can get it into our preheated oven. Just kind of mix that around. That way we get it evenly distributed. Nothing better than I like than fresh green beans. They're just so nice and bright and crispy. Okay, now that we have those seasoned, I'm going to put some oregano.
You ready? Go.
Okay, so I got some oregano here. I'm going to put on the beans. Just a little bit, not very much. There we go. And then we're going to put some onion powder. Again, be kind of careful with this. It comes out fast. I've learned that the hard way, unfortunately. There we go. And next we're going to do some garlic salt. There we go. And next we're going to do some garlic powder. And now we have our garlic powder. You can put anything you want on it. We just kind of experiment. I wanted to kind of try it with oregano and see how it tasted with the beans. You don't have to do that because I know it sounds kind of weird, but I'm definitely more experimental. Um, get the rest of this on there, and then we will get this in the oven since it's already preheated. All right, next we have our chicken breasts here, and I'm gonna get those with some olive oil. You can use thicker chicken breasts as well. These are kind of thin, but if you like, you can always use more. Okay. So next we have our oregano. So we're gonna get that put on there. Of course, my oregano doesn't want to cooperate, but that's okay. Some more on this piece. Okay. Now that we got that on, we're going to put some onion powder. Now we're going to put some black pepper. Okay, now that we got our black pepper on, we're going to put some table salt. Okay, now that we've got our table salt, we are going to go over and cook this now. Now we have our tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to get our garlic in there. It's 1 tablespoon of garlic, but I kind of have to do it in halves. There we go. Alright, now we have our chicken cooking. You want to cook the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And we've got our olive oil and garlic over here heating up. So I'm just going to get these flipped. There we go. Like I said, these are thinner, so they'll cook quite a bit faster. Alright, now I'm going to let these cook for a little bit on each side, and then I will be back with you guys and we'll work on the rest of it. Okay, now that we've had our tomatoes and chicken cooking, we've got our garlic in there that we simmered over medium heat. I'm going to add the basil now. Get that in there. Look at that, guys. It looks wonderful. There's a lot of color in there. It'll go good with our green beans as well. There we go. Now that we got our basil in there. So we'll let that cook in there with it, and then we will plate it. Okay, so now I've got our chicken. I'm going to go ahead and plate that real quick. Got our chicken here. Some cherry tomatoes with our olive oil on it. Put some of that on top. This would also go good with some brown rice or broccoli. Or pasta as well. So got that on there. Okay, now we're going to get some green beans. Green beans, there we go. I'm also going to put some bell peppers on there. You can also cook the bell peppers as well, but a lot of my family likes it raw, so we just put them raw in here. Give it some nice color too. So.
And sometimes things like that happen because he's in a wheelchair, and that's just normal.
Runaway plate.
Just correct and move on.
There we go, guys. That's the meal. Looks pretty good, huh?
Beautiful.
Well, thank you guys so much for being here, and I'm excited to do another recipe for you next week. Like and subscribe to my page if you hadn't. Just hit the subscribe button underneath the video. Also, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it just helps my channel grow so that I can continue to reach more people. Thank you so much for being here with me, and keep on cooking.